To manage permissions for apps on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we need to go to Settings, scroll down into Settings and choose Security and Privacy. Scroll all the way down and go to More Privacy Settings, and then here scroll down again in order to find Permission Manager. So select it. Now over here we have all permissions that we have available on the phone. So let's say we're gonna choose location as an example. Then we can see apps that are allowed to use location all the time, apps that are allowed to use location while in use when the apps are in use, and of course apps that are not allowed. So we can select any of these apps and then we can manage the location permission in this specific example. And also you can go to the main page of settings, and here if you go to apps instead, and if you select an app, so let's say we're gonna choose, I don't know, Bixby for example, then here we can also find permissions option. So you can go here in order to first choose the app and then choose the permission that we want to manage. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!